This is our 2017 67 plate Audi SQ5. This is the facelift SQ5 that was brought out in 2017 with the 3-litre TFSI turbocharged petrol engine to replace the diesel that which was its predecessor. Now this one has come on a long way. It looks absolutely fantastic. There's loads of improvements, and this particular model has got an enormous specification, one of the highest I've ever seen. And it's hard to find when you want one of these cars and you're looking for an SQ5 and you want one that's got all the options, or at least 80-90% of the options. Very hard to find on the used car market. This one has very low mileage, only just over 20,000 miles. One former owner prior to the current owner as well. He purchased from Audi, and it's had a full Audi service history. It's due its next service and inspection service. We're going to do both of those this week. So it will come to you fully serviced, ready to go. All the tyres have been replaced as well in the last 12 months. They're all excellent. And our detailer is going to be going around machine polishing the car end of this week as well. So it is going to be absolutely perfect for you and ready to go. So let's talk a bit about the car. It's obviously got that huge specification. We have, of course, 2 keys and a full book pack for it, and some of the invoices from the Audi services. And furthermore, we do offer, of course, a number of different finance packages. Whatever suits you, we can tailor something that works. And we also offer nationwide delivery to your door, so you don't even need to step out of your home. We will deliver the car to you. That costs £1.50 a mile on an open trailer, or £2 a mile in an enclosed trailer. Warranty, of course, we offer all different warranty options. So if you would like a quote for anything starting from 6 months all the way up to 12, 24 and 36 months, by all means just let me know and I'll happily work with you and discuss some options. Let's talk more about the car. So first of all, it's in one of my favourite colours for sporty Audis, which is Navarra Blue Metallic. I love this colour. I've got a S3, I've got a few S3s in this colour available. I personally think it's one of the nicest colours for these sporty Audis. So it looks great. It's got the best wheels, which are the optional 21-inch bi-colour, which means they are machine polished faces with anthracite main bodies. And then it's also got this one, the red brake calipers with the S logo on them. So that's, first off, a nice option to have. These are shod in Pirelli P0 tyres, so premium, expensive tyres, not cheap ones at all. And let's talk more about some of the other options that we've got. So coming around the back, we've obviously got the privacy glass option. You've got the full LED rear lights and headlights. This one's actually got the LED matrix lights, which are superb as part of the light and vision pack, and that also includes configurable coloured ambient lighting. You can see there the radar sensor's got one in each corner. This one's also got dash cams fitted front and rear, so that's already done for you if you were thinking of fitting one. Let's move on to the interior. So starting off with the boot area, if we open that up, obviously it's electronic. And you've got the white LED lights inside the car. This one comes with the original Audi boot liner. Then underneath, we've got the Space Saver spare wheel and the subwoofer for the Bang & Oulfsen sound system, and of course all the toolkit for changing wheels. And then here you've got some hooks, and these drop the seats at the back as well, and of course the load space covers in place as it should be. That's the tailgate. Now let's look at the inside. So first of all, as part of that configurable ambient lighting, you can change the lights whatever colour you want. They're all around the car. Great option to have. You've got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Again, another very desirable option. It's got heated seats front and rear, this car. It's got the beautiful quilted leather with the white stitching all the way through the car. Fantastic seats to sit in and very pleasing to the eye, may I add. Now let's get through to the business end. So first of all, you've got these Audi puddle lights, 4-ring LEDs, and then you've also got the backlit entry sill plates. This one's got the electric front seats with the memory settings for the driver. Another option to have that's very useful. You've got the S embossing on the leather, and of course the electric sliding panoramic roof. You've of course got rain sensors and light sensors, so that's all automatic. This one's got the virtual cockpit, so you've got whatever information you want displayed on the dash, which is great. You've got the 3-spoke flat bottom steering wheel with the S logo in aluminium and leather with the stitching. Then over here you've got the lovely sort of textured black finish on the center console. You've got hill hold assist, electronic handbrake, that's your gear shifter, that's your touch control pad. Obviously you can configure everything from these buttons here. You've got the engine start stop, 12-volt socket, your drive select mode, so you can, let's just close the door. So yeah, with your drive select mode you can actually then let's just turn off the parking. Drive select, so obviously you can then configure what option you want. If you do go into dynamic setting, that obviously sharpens everything up, and individual your own settings. If we press that little button there to go into the plus menu, you can then configure things like your suspension, steering, your engine sound, and adaptive cruise control to your own preference. You've obviously got Bluetooth telephone, navigation, etc. And you can enter or input your destination with this touchpad here, which you can actually write letters and numbers and things on it, and the car will recognize it. Moving swiftly on, media systems, so you can play all sorts of media. You can activate Wi-Fi. If you activate Wi-Fi, you can actually display Google Earth on the maps here rather than a standard sort of map. So you can have satellite imagery. So you can connect your phone, and then you can get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, external audio player, so all different media sources you can use for playback, which is great. You've of course got DAB radio, okay, and that gives you sort of a brief general overview of that. If I want to look at the, let's have a look at the driver assist. There we go. So you've got Audi Adaptive Cruise Control, you've got distance warning, you've got efficiency assist, Audi Presense, Audi Side Assist. That works in conjunction with those orange lights in the wing mirrors. Quite a rare option to find actually, rain sensors, etc. So that's all there. Now you've got heated seats here and your dual zone climate control, and then if you press that, you can then actually have the car park itself. It can search for a spot, and it can do perpendicular parking, i.e. parallel parking, or entry or reversing into a normal 180 degree parking space. Okay, you've also then got various camera systems, such as if we put on park, let's cancel that, and go into the normal park mode, you can see here you've got different options of what you want it to display. So that would give you surround view, or top view as I call it, corner view, front, etc. So you can have all that displayed to your own preference. Probably top view is the best, I think. Your adaptive cruise control here, your different views can be controlled with this button here, and then of course you can zoom in and out. You can go to your phone, your media, etc. So that's all controlled there, and of course you've got your volume and voice control buttons here. You've got a lovely frameless rear view mirror, and then of course the controls for the panoramic roof to slide it open. And that is pretty much it, folks. I've listed all the options on the ad correctly, so everything that this car's got is on there. I've double checked that on the Audi app, so that's all correct. And that's pretty much it. So if you are interested in this SQ5, like I say, the spec is fantastic. I don't expect it to hang around long with the specification like this, because they are hard to find. It's in the best colour scheme in my opinion. It's got the best wheels, the matrix headlights, the pan roof, the virtual dash, the Bang & Olufsen, active cruise, side assist. You've got the matrix, you've got the auto parking and the surround view cams. It's literally got it all, hasn't it? I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. That's pretty much it, folks. So that's our Audi SQ5. Give me a call if you'd like to discuss a finance package or reserving the car. Or of course, send me a text or an email, and I'm happy to answer whatever method of communication suits yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Good night.